Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to report a Facebook ad or post in your feed. It's super easy, so let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in to your Facebook account and scroll down. And if you seen an ad and you want to report that ad, what you need to do is to click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the ad. And once you click that, it will show these options. And now there will be an option to report ad. You just need to click on report ad and it will ask you, why are you reporting this ad? So you just need to click on the reason. And once you're done, you just need to confirm by clicking done. And that's it. That's how you report a Facebook ad or post in your feed. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!